The Battle of Ayacucho in Peru. So, how did this happen? When Napoleon invaded Spain in 1808, the Spanish hold over South America weakened, sparking the War of Independence in Peru. Although unsuccessful, small uprisings inspired others and spread hope throughout the nation. However, it was not until the 1820s where significant change was seen. In 1821, José de San Martín and his forces formed a blockade around Lima, preventing any reinforcements from the Spanish to enter the capital. On July 28th, Martín declared Peruvian independence from the Spanish in the Plaza Mayor of Lima, marking the beginning of the War of Independence. This declaration only further united Peruvians, allowing them the strength needed to fight off the Spanish. The Battle of Ayacucho began the morning of December 9th, 1824. Fought between the United Liberation Army of Peru and the Spanish military, the battle took place at Pampa de Ayacucho, near the town called Quinua. As Peru had been colonized by the Spanish for around 300 years, forming an army to fight against their colonizers was actually not that difficult, and an army of 6,000 Peruvian and Argentinian soldiers was formed. Led by Antonio José de Sucre, the Liberation Army fought against 9,000 Spanish soldiers under Viceroy José de la Serna. Before the battle, however, it is said that soldiers from both sides took a minute to embrace their friends on the other sides. Prior to the battle, Antonio José de Sucre gave some final words of wisdom to the army, stating that the fate of South America depends on today's efforts. After a gruesome 4 hours of battle, the United Liberation Army of Peru managed to injure or kill around 2,500 Spanish soldiers, while only losing around 1,000 themselves. This resulted in a win for the Peruvians and Argentinians. So, what happened next? As Sucre had predicted, this battle marked the end of Spanish rule, not only in Peru, but in all of South America. The Treaty of Ayacucho was formed not long after the battle had ended. This particular treaty is composed of 18 different clauses which all essentially describe the Spanish official defeat. For the 150th anniversary, the Declaration of Ayacucho was signed in Lima. It was said that the battle was a unity symbol of all Latin American peoples in their struggle for liberation.